Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? It's applebottemgs here. As always, thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. And today, guys, I'm going to be unboxing my eBay Duckbill wing for my 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer ES. Alrighty, so here we are. So it looks like what you get in the package is just some traditional 3M tape right here. Let me just pop this out. So you guys already know what 3M tape is. It's that industrial tape that you use on automotive, and it's supposed to work even better than super glue. So you get that. And then you get this little booklet. I guess it just tells you the return policy, the packaging, and some of the installation guide. That's really rare from eBay, but this is what you get. So far, I'm impressed. And then you get the actual Duckbill right here. I can kind of show you guys this. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic. Here we go. Here we are. So, as you guys already kind of can tell, this is plastic. It's ABS plastic. It has primer on it, black. So that's good. It's ready to paint, and you know, right here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it was made in Taiwan, as it was made in Taiwan. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a close-up. Here we go, and there's that made in Taiwan branding, the ABS. There's a little nick there. And then this is 3M tape again. Really thick roll. And then instructions. So, there's a full picture of it. And then there's the other side. And what side does it go on? I believe it goes like this. I believe it goes like this. I don't know. I'm gonna have to fit it on my car, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like without the 3M tape on.